It's called New Pair of Pants. Look pretty with your red lip, white wine. Talking sense through your cold teeth since a dime. Through your cold teeth since a dime. I think you're more than a newspaper headline. Looking pretty with your gold leaf iodine. With your gold leaf iodine. I want everyone to see my new pair of pants. I want everyone to see my new pair of pants. I want everyone to see my new pair of pants. I want everyone to see my new pair of pants. Yeah. Look pretty with your radio straight face. That foot through the lead block outer space. Through the lead block outer space. We've been following your feet from the same place. Looking pretty with your worn out suitcase. With your worn out suitcase. I want everyone to see my new pair of pants. I want everyone to see my new pair of pants. I want everyone to see my new pair of pants. I want everyone to see my new pair of pants. Yeah. Oh, you are looking pretty with your gold leaf iodine. With your gold leaf iodine. Do it as it's always been done. Will that mean anything? And all my friends are dreaming their dreams, yeah. Moving up and they're keeping it clean. What if you and I decide to do it in a radical way? Will that change everything? I'm in life.